In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a FAQ accordion to Squarespace. A FAQ accordion is a simple, space-saving way to present common questions and answers. It keeps your page clean while letting visitors quickly scan and expand only what they need. This is great for support pages, product details, or any place where clarity and organization matter. First, head to your site's main dashboard and click Website. From there, click Pages to see your site's page list. Choose the page where you want the FAQ to live. Picking the right page at the start helps keep your content organized, whether you're building a dedicated FAQ page or adding a helpful section to a product or services page. Once you're on the right page, scroll to the section where you'd like the FAQs to appear. Think about placement. Above the fold for frequently asked pre-sales questions, or near the bottom for supplemental details. When you're in that section, select Add Block. Blocks are the building pieces of a Squarespace page: text, images, buttons, and in this case, your FAQ accordion. Adding it in the right section ensures it inherits the surrounding layout and spacing, so everything feels cohesive. Next, select the accordion block from the block library. You can browse the list or use the search bar to find it quickly. The accordion block is designed for collapsible content, with clickable headers that reveal answers. Once you select it, Squarespace will insert a starter accordion in your chosen spot so you can see how it looks in your layout. Now that it's added, click on the accordion to configure it. You'll see fields for the question titles and the corresponding answers. This is where you add your content and shape the experience. Keep question titles short and specific so visitors can scan them easily. In the answer fields, be clear and concise. Use plain language and address the core concern right away. You can usually reorder items, adjust whether items start expanded or collapsed, and set visual details like icons and spacing. Choose options that match your site's tone and make scanning effortless. As you configure, focus on grouping similar questions together and using consistent phrasing, which helps visitors find information faster and reduces confusion. That's all. With the accordion block in place and configured, you've created a clean, user-friendly FAQ that keeps your page tidy while delivering answers exactly where your audience needs them.